Welcome to Harris Hall and the World Center for Concrete Technology. Come see why this is a very special and unusual facility. It's not only a premier center for training, educational research, and testing for the concrete products and concrete industries, it is also a demonstration of the architectural variations that concrete and concrete products offer. Built on a foundation of partnering, the World Center concept began as a Besser Company training program in 1954. The concept and facilities have grown over the years to include Alpena Community College. In 1966, the Besser Technical Center was constructed on the college campus, and the 2-year Applied Science and Concrete Technology degree program was established. The concept and facilities took another major leap forward with the completion of Harris Hall in August 2000, formalizing the World Center for Concrete Technology. This advancement would not have been possible without the partnering of the State of Michigan, U.S. Departments of Commerce and Agriculture, and the concrete products and concrete industry companies who have invested a combined total of $8 million. The mission statement of the center is ambitious: to provide leadership, advancement, and mastery of concrete technology through education, training, research, testing, information management, and communications. This is accomplished by securing shared participation, cooperation, assistance, and support of all those interested in concrete technology worldwide. The WCCT is self-sustaining, operating on funds provided by its training programs, research projects, testing services, and donations from interested companies and individuals. The backbone of the WCCT's support is an advisory group called the Partners Council. Each member of the council has provided significant financial contributions and is dedicated to providing continued support through technical assistance, participation in ongoing training programs, and by utilizing the facility's resources for research projects and company meetings. What distinguishes the WCCT from other training centers is the hands-on nature of its training and educational programs. The WCCT provides real-world skills and knowledge to help students quickly become major contributors to their employer's bottom line. How is this accomplished? Through the 2-year Concrete Technology Program, through block makers and pipe makers workshops, through industry training courses, and by offering high-quality research and conference facilities, from the materials and project labs, to the production lab, to the classrooms. Each area of the WCCT is state-of-the-art. When people talk about the hands-on, real-world experience they receive at the WCCT, they're not using those words lightly. Take a look and see how the center brings the real world into the classroom, and the classroom into the real world. From the batch plant, to the laser screed, to the full-size, state-of-the-art concrete products plant, the teaching emphasis is on materials, operating from the comprehensive perspective that to understand this industry, one must first understand the materials used. Whether students in the 2-year program or industry members visiting for additional training, what is learned here translates directly back to the job. Just ask a few people who have taken courses at the WCCT.
Throughout my freshman year and sophomore year, I was amazed. This is, we got a huge block plant, a huge lab, just anything you need, we've got, and if we don't have it, we've got it within a week or so. We've got great access to all products. It's just it's a well-known course around the U.S.
I did some research before I came up here, and I found a couple other schools with concrete programs, but their programs are mostly business and a couple of classes for concrete, and this program here is the best by far. I've already learned so much about it, and when I got up here, I was amazed with all the technology and new equipment they have for us to use, even in first-year students.
It's hard to find a program that is so in-depth, covering what particular concrete construction or just construction-related companies are looking for. So by having the program be able to be molded to a certain person or individual requirements is very, very good as a company owner wanting to find someone for that position without having to spend a lot of time trying to explain what some of the basic tests or requirements of our industry are.
I came to the Dynapack class before we even bought a block plant. And then after I had ran the block plant for a year, I came back to the Dynapack just because there was a lot of stuff now that I've seen that I didn't know that they showed me. And then we moved on to electricals and vibrators and product handling now, and everything's a really great class.
The reason my employer signed me up for the Block Makers Workshop at the World Center for Concrete Technology is to increase our output, increase our efficiency, and to put somebody in the field to help train the other employees at the plant. After I had the classes at the Block Makers Workshop, I went back with a higher confidence and a great higher skill level to be able to operate and run the machines.
The WCCT is always seeking ways to expand its services to serve an even broader range of the concrete industry. Listening to industry needs, it added several courses to the traditional class lineup, including a 2-day seminar on Allen-Bradley control processors, a 1-day program for architects on concrete product manufacturing and architectural concrete masonry, workshops geared toward management training, and a 2-college credit week-long course on concrete pipe materials. And the WCCT is still listening.
In my 25 years with Besser Company, it's been a real privilege to work in a facility like the World Center for Concrete Technology. As Director of Research and Training for Besser Company, it's our job to try and educate the individuals that purchase Besser equipment. The facilities that we have here are just excellent tools for that. We've got the education, the training, and of course the research that goes with that.
And our focus is building the industry and developing concrete masonry technology so that we satisfy the future needs of the industry. A center like this is certainly key to that growth.
Research has been an important part of the World Center's evolution from the beginning. The WCCT offers confidential research and testing services on a broad range of topics for the concrete and concrete products industries. Past research topics have included work on admixtures, pigments, waste ash of many types, slags, ground glass, plastic, rubber, and solid waste, just to name a few. All research and testing is supervised by ACI and NCMA certified technicians. The World Center for Concrete Technology is advancing the interest of the concrete and concrete products industries through workforce training, confidential research projects, certified testing, and academic degree programs.
The World Center for Concrete Technology really gives businesses and industry an opportunity to have a resource available to them that's probably nowhere else in the world.
But this can only happen with the help of donors and partners. Although the World Center is building on a tradition begun almost 50 years ago, the work has really just begun. To maintain its growth, the WCCT needs continued support. To find out how your company can participate or assist in the development of new programs at the WCCT, or how to contribute to an ongoing program, please contact the World Center today.